hyello. Now, I don't have a proper before as this was mostly on a whim, but taken from my Decorate With Me, I've got these small clips that kind of show what the area looked like prior with the random and terrible concrete slab and all. So welcome to the storm before the calm. Demolishing and removing everything. Now we continue with the demolition. For safety reasons, we put up a board so no pieces end up breaking the glass door, and then took multiple sledgehammers, because this slab was just way too thick. It was so thick it actually broke both of them, both of the sledgehammers.
That section so that we can get gravel, the stuff that we've broken up down there, backfilled with the limestone screenings away from the house.
So almost make it like a slide, like a slope.
Exactly.
Everything that's going to be under the deck out this way, so that water that drips through the deck has to run out, not sit back there up against the house.
Hi. So that concrete piece that was on top, now,
Did it all myself.
Wow. Yeah, all by yourself. That's right. So.
I mean, I did like a third of it.
I said it would be 3-inch.
I think there's another piece of metal there holding it. Maybe.
Might be.
What? What?
The glass is on.
Oh,
nice. Oh, big chunk. Nice.
Just like rushed off the shoulder. Oh. Okay. Like, I'm so confused what the f this even is.
Yeah, no idea. Until we get it out of there, nobody's gonna tell.
Spoiler alert, even after we got it out, nobody could tell. That sounds like a job for Sara.
Yeah, well.
As larger pieces did break off, I placed them in a wheelbarrow to be rid of for now.
Fuck, here she goes. Working on the railroad.
We even took a stab at it, no pun intended, with a pickaxe. That was a no-go. It's gonna fucking break. Oh yeah!
Chunk.
Who needs therapy,
Just
right?
left the building.
I'm sorry, are you laughing?
Yes.
Nibbling away at it.
Nibbling away. My turn.
Oh! 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 I loosened it for you. Damn!
Big crack.
Oh, wow. Guess it was worth him taking the crack at it.
My turn.
Paul's turn.
As long as that doesn't flip.
Oh! That one's coming off.
Good. Cool.
Nice. Oh, big crack. Look at that, cut it for us.
You and I loosened it for him. It's
Yeah.
okay. Oh!
And there's no longer a piece of concrete anywhere. It's just Barney rubble.
Oh!
Nice.
Woo! If I have learned anything from this entire process, it's that everything is much heavier than it looks initially. I wish I was being more dramatic than I was, but I'm really only being a little dramatic. Everything. Next up on my list was to remove the concrete stone wall. Get that out of the way and all of the concrete slabs, which you just recently in this video got to see a little sneaky peek of. I went between using a crowbar and a shovel to lift these one by one. And rolling them. Pretty much just like a tire, only a very, very square tire. And putting them to their for now destination. Lather, rinse, and repeat. Approximately 471 more times. Let me tell you, these were heavy, and there was a lot of them. And these for 3, so I'm only taking them out for here.
Yeah, that's what we're the extra. Anyway, that one was sitting in the basement up there.
Hey man, more the merrier, right? Especially it's green, so it's really merrier. I didn't realize how heavy these were going to be, but now that I'm looking at them, I'm like, oh my god. Some of them I acquired some help with, luckily.
How did you manage to lift them up?
Because I am good. It was normally pulling it up. Like you get far enough under there, and it starts to pull up. And since we will be putting a deck of sorts here, and we do want to stabilize it as much as possible, the ground needed to be dug out. This hole needed to be about 2 feet down and to either side, as you can probably tell from my extremely precise measuring skills.
So the deck's going to be attached to the wall there.
Yes.
It's going to come out here and go across.
Okay.
So the one support for that end of it
is
going to be on the concrete
here.
there.
Okay, yeah.
The other, we have to build something that's very stable so it doesn't shift or heave. Water gets into the ground, water expands, when it freezes, it shifts.
What are we going to reach at the end of this day?
Gold.
We actually end up digging up clay, which was not something that I was expecting. Now I know it looks shallow, and that's because it is, but it took a long time to get it to even this shallow of a point. Now it just sounds like I'm talking about my exes. Whoops. And continuing to move the concrete stone wall and slabs. Once all has been removed, it is time to bill. Tune in next time for that one.